Hi, welcome to my channel. I took up my Tamiya TA-02 today. It is a re-released version I bought in 2011. Wow, it has been 14 years. The last time I serviced it was roughly in 2022. Still has the mud stain on the tires. The batteries are gone, so I'm using the spare battery from my recent purchase of the MGX H12P. Let's power it up. Awesome, it works. I brought it down to the outdoor to have a spin. Enjoy the video. I love the TA-02. I wanted to find a kit to build, but unfortunately they no longer release the TA-02. Probably I'll get the buggy, the hot shot too.